Alright, what we want to do is create a recovery partition on a USB flash drive. That way we can remove the partition and gain some space. These Surface Pros do not have much space, so let's get started on that. First of all, you want to be in the desktop. I just want to show you something real fast. Go down here, and I'm going to go to Computer. And you're going to see here that I have a flash drive in there, and it's all ready to rock and roll. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to open up the charms there to the right, just swipe them with my finger, and I'm going to go to search, and I'm going to type in recovery. Nothing shows up because you're in apps. You want to be in settings, and then you want to be create a recovery drive. So we're going to tap that. Do you want to allow the following program to make changes to the computer? Yes. Create a recovery drive. Drive must be able to hold 8. Best to put 16 in there. So there's my available drive right there. And that's the one I want. Creating the recovery drive. Everything on the drive will be deleted. If you have any personal files on this drive, make sure you've backed up the files. Okay, we're good there, so create. And it's going to go back, going about its business. So we'll come back and it should all be done. Right, the recovery drive is ready. So you can, at this point, you can delete it by, you can delete the recovery partition, which I'm not going to do in this case because I'm actually going to update to Windows 8.1. I just wanted to go ahead and have a recovery drive with 8.0 in case I have any problems with 8.1. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit finish. And that is everything. So at this point, I can actually remove the USB drive after I eject it and go from there. When you are making the change from Windows 8.0 to 8.1, people have been having issues with the Wacom drivers. What happens, especially if they have the keyboard connected to the Surface Pro while they're making the update, it tends to screw up everything on the Wacom drivers. So the best thing to do is before you make the change, do the update from 8.0 to 8.1, remove your old Wacom Cintiq drivers that you probably have installed so that you could use one of the more modern pens like the Bamboo Field. So this is how you do it. Is you come over here, go to settings, that's in your charms, go to settings, and then you want to go to the control panel. And in the control panel, you want to go down to programs. In programs, go to programs and features. First thing you want to do is, there it is right there, ISD tablet by Wacom Technology Corp. Go ahead and hit that, and you want to hit change. And you want to take all the preferences, and you want to remove the preferences. So let's see here. In both my preferences and you also want to do it in all user preferences. Okay, so now you've removed all the preferences and you want to go ahead and then you want to uninstall the ISD tablet. So uninstall. Are you sure? Yes. And that's basically it. After that, you can do your update on Windows 8.0 to 8.1. I'm not actually going to show you how to do that because I don't want to screw it up by doing the screencasting. So you just go to the proper sites and everything should be fine. Okay, you've updated to Windows 8.1, and one of the first things you need to do is you need to go ahead, and there we go, and I'm going to go over here to settings. I'm going to go to change PC settings, going to go to Update and Recovery. A couple of things that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and download and install all updates that are available. Get that out of the way now, because the thing is with some of the stuff that we're going to be doing, it is actually, every time you update with Windows, it will actually kill your Wacom drivers and give you very weird things, so you need to stop that. The best way to do it is to install any of your updates now, and then go to Windows Update, and then go to choose how updates get installed, and it will probably be on install updates automatically. We do not want that. We want to check for updates, but let me choose whether to download and install them. Or you can put it to never, but the thing is I kind of like to know what's going on. So I put mine to check for updates, but let me choose whether to download and install them. Recommended updates, give me recommended, and then hit apply.